Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make custom BlueSky art feed with SkyFeed. If you want to create your own custom feed, you need to go to the site called SkyFeed app. And trust me, it may seem intimidating, but it's not really that hard. Let me show you. So you're in Skyline, you want to make your own art feed and nothing makes sense. Don't worry, you just need to click this wench icon. You are in the SkyFeed builder. Now you need to click on this tab. Now you need to create feed. Now you are taken to a sample feed where everybody has ever posted hello world, but you don't need that. You need to specify your own user, so pay attention to input. Now you have to click on entire network, select single user, which is, it will ask you for a user DID. You click on select yourself and it will input your user. Now that you typed your user DID in the input, you will probably see those errors, but don't worry about it. We just need to pick a new keyboard in regex. Now, me personally, I say selected image alt text as a target and put in illustration because I always type in illustration in alt text as a keyword and a descriptor, but you can select post text. If that's where you put your keyword, it's up to you. So you put your keyword in all the posts that include that keyword might show up in your preview. But what if some of your art posts don't include that keyword? What if you want to add some posts manually? Well, in that case, click on add block. You need to click input and a new input block appears underneath your regex block. It says entire network, but instead of that, you need to pick single post and it will ask you for a post link and you just paste the post link. And yeah, that's how you add an individual post to your feed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.